say hello to you. Let's learn what they can do. The cow on the farm goes moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. The cow on the farm goes moo, moo, moo. All day long. The dog in the yard goes woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. The dog in the yard goes woof, woof, woof. All day long. The cat in the house goes meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. The cat in the house goes meow, meow, meow. All day long. The duck in the pond goes quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The duck in the pond goes quack, quack, quack. All day long. The lion in the jungle goes roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. The lion in the jungle goes roar, roar, roar. All day long. The monkey on the tree goes hoo, hoo, ha, ha. Hoo, hoo, ha, ha. Hoo, hoo, ha, ha. The monkey on the tree goes hoo, hoo, ha, ha. All day long. The animals say hello to you. Hello to you. Hello to you. The animals say hello to you. Now we know what they can do.